Hello Chosen Ones! In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance wands and spellblades in Witchspire. If you found a favorite wand or spellblade and don't want to replace it just because stronger gear becomes available later in the game, there's actually a way to keep using it while bringing its power up to match late game equipment. To do this, you'll need to head over to the 4th island, which is located west of the Beginner Island. On this island, there's another Morella's shop that you can visit. The location is toward the northeastern side of the island, close to the edge of the map. Once you arrive, look for Morella's cottage. Inside, you'll find the upgrade station used for enhancing both wands and spellblades. The requirements are thankfully very simple. All you need is the wand or spellblade you want to upgrade, along with one astrine gem. If you're not sure where to get astrine gems, we have a separate video on the channel dedicated to farming them, so feel free to check that out if you need a more detailed guide. Once you have everything ready, the process is straightforward. Just interact with the upgrade station and press craft. After the upgrade is complete, your chosen wand or spellblade will be boosted to level 30, allowing you to keep using your favorite weapon well into the late game. And that's everything you need to know about how to enhance wands and spellblades in Witchspire.